niggas always on my dick.
Yeah.
Tell them I'm standing on my shit.
Yeah.
Totally spinning out, blowing like rocket. Fuck that, I tell them niggas suck my dick.
Reaction.
What's up, YouTube? It's a boy Terry Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Right, we're on a little vibes. You see me? I said, we're on a little vibes. We are on a little vibes right now. We've been sipping. If I turn over in my room to that war, but we've been sipping, you see me? Yeah, we've been sipping. Just know we've been sipping. No joke, it's open. We've been sipping. We've been sipping. We've been sipping. But right now, I'm a singer called Two Guns from 24/8. You see me? I said, New York, NYC rapper. What's popping? When I touch down in New York, just know, say I want to link with all these New York rappers, all these New York YouTubers and everybody. You understand me? Go check out my main channel, Terry Vlogs. Over 42k subscribers. Go and subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel. But right now, I have a song for react to. The Reaction Boss is here. We don't play with people. So let's see what's happening for this. Let's see what's popping for some New York rap. Link to the original song will be down below in the description. You see me? Yeah, the accent might chip in every now and then because the kid is from Yard, Jamaica. But Rachel! Bruh, Beam! Man!
Fuck your bitch the other night. I know I'll break your heart if I touch you.
Okay, big toys, okay.
My niggas always on my dick.
Yeah.
Tell them I'm standing on my shit.
Yeah.
Totally spinning out, blowing like rocket. Fuck that, I tell them niggas suck my dick.
Fuck the pole. Every time you see me driving, you want to come and fucking stop my car and give me a ticket. Fuck you, mom. Go. I'm lit.
Moving with the chop. I can't red on every block. Bitch, your shit, she getting top. She send that out your flip, I get the job. Nigga,
Wait, pause. So Mr. 24/8, you're a baller basically. That's what you're telling me, bruh. You telling me you're a baller. You paint red on every block. Hold up, pause. Go back.
She send that out your flip, I get the job. Nigga, you won't take shit, you only walk. Picture my trophy, my teammates quick to flop. Pull up just me, 2 guns. I got like 2 sides, pick one.
Wait, pause. I pull up just me, 2 guns. Oh, whoa.
Just me, 2 guns. I got like 2 sides, pick one. Tell the option back, it'll be more fun. In the streets when you know it's not safe. 24/6, they know I'll never change. Talk for the hood, cause I know they feel my pain. Me and you not the same, they took your chain. Holidays don't get gift wrapped. We celebrate when I get this shit right. Shut up, your crib for today. Spinning on dick ballerina, and you say they spin back. PHP niggas better remove top.
Yeah.
They sliding on me, then I speak top.
Okay.
They scored and just know we gon' get back. She be coming up, niggas gon' move back. My niggas always on my dick.
Oh, we don't know.
I'm standing on my shit. EBK niggas let all we drop shit. Totally spinning out, blowing like rocket. Fuck that, I tell them niggas suck my dick. And they know we on hot shit.
This lit. Wait, pause. We gotta ask you. I gotta ask why y'all toss on this song, right? This song lit. This song is something I will bump in my car because when I'm driving, trust me, you don't want to be beside me. I'll be bumping every motherfucking song in that motherfucker. This song is something I will jump in that motherfucker. When it loud though, hell loud. You feel me? That bass hits. Boom. I need to get my sound system up there. But what y'all think though? Y'all think this song lit? Drop some fire emoji down below in the comment section, you feel me? Yeah, let me know what y'all think. It's lit, it's popping. I'm a little drunk. Summer light.
On every block, bitch, your shit, she getting top. She send that out your flip, I get the job. Nigga, you won't take shit, you only walk.
Wait, pause. Are you holding this gun right, bro? Hold up. Oh, okay, let go. I thought that was the fucking thing. Hey.
Nigga, you won't take shit, you only walk. Show my trophy, my teammates quick to flop.
Wait, he's finished? What the fuck? No, bro, I was just vibing. Man was just vibing, bro. Oh, okay. Something new. Blah. Okay. What next now? Okay.
Make sure that the whip block so they can't see us. Rub blood splash on my
Oh, go. Tint it up. Make sure the whip is black. That lights don't slap my car. That motherfucker tinted dark as fuck. 5% all around. You can't see that motherfucking go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hey, hey. 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 Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Drop that shit. 24, I'm on that shit. Me and Gay came up off that lick. Doing right. Jack, I'm the one they don't really like. Hit him soon as he stop, put him at the light. I took him on, I put up a fight. Niggas hit on me, gonna shade out the spite. Get my trust out and I never got it back. I bet you know she.
I like the different flow. I like the flow on this one. This one lit. Oh, this. Oh shit. This is just a teaser. He's just teasing us. I fuck with the flow on this one though. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. He gave us something like, you know, that diss track shit. You know, when they're switching up the rhythm in the diss track, they're switching from this rhythm to the next rhythm in the diss track and shit. That's crazy though. You feel me? But let go. Coming soon, see? Yeah, I know. I'm like, what the fuck? Drop that shit. Drop that shit. We need that shit. You got no more shit. Let me see. We'll check your shit out. Let's go. Let's see what's happening. Well, it though. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if y'all are new. We don't play. Most of all, I want you to subscribe to the main channel, Tyree Vlogs, you feel me? Cause we're trying to blow up over there. We got some crazy shit. We only post bangers over there, by the way. Only bangers.
Niggas probably be like, wow, this nigga always laughing.
Nigga pull up in the BMW, 24 night.
Nigga sick. This is gonna happen.
Bro, you make me want to update my jewelry collection. Y'all, anyways, y'all, the link to his shit is going to be down below in the description. Go check him out for yourself. It's been about Tyree Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Follow me on Instagram at Tyree Vlogs right here. Get me to 10K on Instagram. And get me to 50K on the main channel. We at 42K, 8K away. Let's get it. Reaction Boss gone. Big up your boss.